Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from Lenovo Smart Tab Yoga. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by 2 ways: System Settings and Antivirus App. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings. Now just look for the apps and notifications, and tap on the See All Apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you haven't installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just select it and click on the install button. Click on OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser, in my case it's Google Chrome. Choose the storage and cache, choose clear storage, and tap on the clear all data. Configure it by OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Oh, sorry about this rotation. Give me a second. Okay, in this application tap on the Get Started and skip. Now close the ad. And choose Continue with Ads. Now tap on the Start Scan button and tap on the OK to add a permission to the files. Tap on the Allow, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares that you have on your Smart Tab should be removed from your device. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.